Welcome to Mariner's Point. In this video, I am going to discuss about a speed group numericals. In this video, we will discuss how to solve numerical related to a speed group of Werner, how to calculate frequency, and there is a relation between RPM and frequency of generator. So first we will discuss why we provide Werner. Werner is generally provided to control the fuel of the engine cylinder. If a speed will increase, then fuel injection in the cylinder will increase, and it is done by Werner. So now come to the relation between frequency and RPM of any generator. There is a relation. You have to remember this because in electrical problem this is very important. You have to calculate sometimes RPM, sometimes frequency, not only for a speed drop. In another problem it is given that 3 generator problem, and in that one parameter that is missing may be RPM or frequency. So this will help you to find. So relation you have to remember. Okay, RPM revolution per minute, frequency P is number of poles of generator. Okay, here same expression is written here, and let's solve one problem first. 900 RPM engine requires an 8 pole, 900, P is 8, frequency is 60 Hz. Then what is the in it? Everything is given. Sorry, in this question everything is given because N, X, V, 120, F and P. If anything is missing, then you have to find. In this all parameter, anything is missing, then you have to find. Okay, you understand what I want to say? This question is wrong. We have to find which parameter not given. Okay, let's see another problem. Before it, first we know about a speed drop. In this video I will discuss only question, not what is a speed drop or something else. Then a speed drop is equal to a speed at no load minus a speed at full load divided by a speed at no load. If you forget in the exam, if it asks a speed drop percentage, then here into 100, that is equal to percent. In the exam you forget no load minus a speed at no load or a speed at full load, then to remember a speed at no load will be higher. If there is no load, then a speed will be more. Okay, and in any load, if you increase the load, then a speed will be decreased. And here the sign of minus, and a speed drop is not known. Sign of a speed drop is always positive. So here always a speed at no load and a speed at full load. Okay, no load and full load. And what will be in the down? We always calculate a speed drop. There is a speed, there is some baseline, and what is our baseline? Baseline is a speed at no load, because load is decreasing from what? When you will start the generator, at that time there is no load, that means a speed at no load. Okay, if you increase the load, then it has started decreasing. From no load it is started decreasing from full load. Then our base is no load, so it will be down. You understand this minus sign, then it will be here. Same like profit loss. If profit, okay, now these two formula is important, always remember. Now a speed drop is in the condition of RPM. Now a speed drop in the condition of frequency. As we know that this is our formula. If all is constant, then air is directly proportional to frequency. Okay, so we can remove n and we put frequency. Then this is the speed drop. Frequency at no load minus frequency at full load divided by frequency at no load. If it is asked percentage, then multiply into 100, that is your percentage. One question is given: a turbocharger rated output 1200 kilowatt at frequency 60 Hz. It is rated, that means no load, your frequency will be like this. Rated means at no load it is given. Now load is provided, then frequency is this. Okay, that means load provided, that means full load you can say that, or frequency at some load. Okay, then what is a speed drop? At I have already told you here a speed drop. Then your answer will be like this, and in the down it will be no load. Always remember, you understand, always positive, but in the down no load, because you are taking base no load. Then what is your answer? 1.5 divided by 60, 40 down into 100, 1 minute, 61.5 minus 60 divided by 60, 1.5 divided by 60. If it is asked in percentage, then multiply by 100. 1 by 40. 1 by 40 is your speed drop. Okay, this is your answer. Now next question: if the turbine is rated at 3000 RPM and machine speed reduces from 3000 to, it is rated means no load. Always remember, rated means no load. Okay, no load. Then we get, from when you start the engine, a speed reduces from 3000 to this. Okay, then no load we have given and full load given, and now we have to calculate a speed drop. Then we know the formula. In the down no load, then when you will calculate, it will be 120 divided by 3000. Okay, and it is asked in percentage, then 100. Okay, that is your 4% answer. Okay, then we have three formula. N is equal to 120 F by P. In some time question is asked, it is very important. Rated you have given, and you have given some another parameter like pole is given, frequency, frequency at some given condition, at a load it is given, number of pole, frequency is given. Then what you will do, you will find n at that load, then you will calculate the speed drop. Okay, that's why I am telling you, remember three formula. N is equal to 120 F by P, a speed drop, and another formula in the frequency. Okay, then you can calculate the speed drop numerical. You can solve the speed drop numerical.